Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Welcome to the ay mas kalaway kung baliktaron kay daw mas ano pagit mas tigulang pagit. Welcome to the 19th birthday of Dr. Milka Dinuban. Are you happy? Yes, very happy of the expenses. Namin siguro hula to lang doon surprise na gito.
Surprise ako sa
Yes. Pero ikaw man na nag-send ka muna dapat ang design. Na-surprise gid siya pero ginsendan niya si Romney ka muna dapat ang design. We love you so much, Doc. We love you so much. Sa palangga na gid namon, no? Ano pa gid? Ara naman tanan sa imo gani asawa na
Consider here as my second mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Wish ko lang ang prayer ko gini kay Doc ya more years to celebrate sa iya birthday. Kaya nga man, basin mamiss ko iya nga, ano, last one from Monday to Friday, your daughter. No? Basta may share ako sa iya. Bala nyo ka, no? Amal ko Dok, nga lali na ang mga alahas mo para sa ako. Tamo na!
Damo siya alahas, kay siya ini ang tag-iya, gimasang Villarica Pawn Shop. Siya tag-iya sa Villarica Pawn Shop, no? So, Ma'am Milds, may surprise kami nga gin-prepare sa imo. Are you ready?
Yes.
No, wala ko ka-joke. Iyayagin invite yung makadok or lunch yan.
Happy birthday to Happy birthday, happy birthday. Lagay ko kay mami. Ay, mo lain. Isa ayaw mo yung dok kayo sa birthday. Chap, saan na pumunta ako? Bye. Take care. Antayin niyo mga stop ng video. Sige ka. Happy birthday. Ingat lang. Mami. Happy.
Dapat yung pag.
God bless you. Stay healthy and beautiful. Love you, Ma. I'm fine. So, my granddaughter in Canada.
I hope you still have a good health and long life. Cheers to more years.
Ato ka doon ako.
I would like to say hi and beautiful happy birthday my family, and I wish you good health and more life and come with you in the Philippines again.
All the best of everything in life. Thank you for everything. Hope your birthday, hopefully you're blessed too much. Happy birthday, Mom.
Ang bawa na yan. May Manila paper ka muna.
Yeah. I wish you good.
Oh, sister. Happy birthday.
Happy 79th birthday.
Surprise greetings.
ang video mo pag-share sa kila, ipadala ko dito sa Australia. Nga muna kayong pag-meeting sa iyo. Thank you so much. Sa nagkaladto ka, nagkalahong kabay pangambusog ka mo. Kabay pag-in. Next school year, I'll be 80. Sa gym kita. You're sa gym. I pray na ako mga bata na 5 will be present. In my 80, I hope nga ari akong tanan nga apulo ka apo kanila
ng Darlene.
And thank you so much for the surprise from the youngest daughter in Australia nga ang nag-abot ang chikinining without my knowledge. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you. Love you. Love you. Please, thank you so much for everything. Love you, please. Ma'am Nessel, thank you.
Wish mo, Mita?
Ha?
Wish mo sa'yo self?
Wish ko sa self ko nga still strong, I can still serve her core.
I'm in the streets, so this ladies like, big deals, great shows like, make it this, make it that like, don't lie, you know how it sound like. I'm in the streets, so this ladies like, big deals, great shows like.
Okay, thank you. God bless us all. In everything we do, it's all for Jesus. Thank you. God bless us all. In everything we do, it's all for Jesus.
I'm in the streets, so this ladies like, big deals, great shows like, make it this, make it that like, don't lie, you know how it sound like. I'm in the streets, so this ladies like, big deals, great shows like.
Mita, happy birthday, Mita. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mita.
What's your wish for Mita?
I wish she couldn't be sick and eat wish. I want Mita to be happy and healthy.
How about you, Aki?
Happy and healthy.
Happy and healthy.
Happy birthday, Mita. I love you. I love you.